Hello, Amanda. Just wanted to really quickly go over your website and give you some tips to increase your organic traffic, get some more business in the door. So your website looks really nice. I don't know if you guys built this yourself or not, but you did a really good job with it. Really clearly laid out with your services, water damage removal, mold restoration, and everything else that has to do with water damage. I would say that if you're trying to rank on Google, that this content is pretty scarce. There's not very much content and not many pages to go to. It's just a one-page website, and the total amount of content is probably only like 500 words. Usually when I'm trying to rank or build a website that is supposed to rank on Google, I'll try to have at least 1,200 words on the homepage and then 600 words targeting specific services. And the reason for that is how Google works is it has bots that go to the website and they read the content and then they index the content. And they do that to know what your website is about. And then when somebody searches for something like Youngstown water restoration, or you guys weren't in Youngstown, you're in Newcastle water restoration. Then if you have Newcastle water restoration in the content of your website, maybe 4 or 5 times, then Google's going to know that that's what your website is about, especially if you have it in the header. It doesn't look like you have your page set up correctly. It's supposed to have H1 and H2 and H3 tags, which will tell Google which ones are the most important headers, subheaders, and other categories. But it looks like all of it is just found in the content. So here's all the words that you have. You have water on there 17 times, so it knows you're about water, but it doesn't have keywords that are specific to your location and your services on there enough times to really know what your website is about. Because when I looked up your website, I think your website is also really new, maybe because it didn't even look like it's indexed at all as of yet. Yeah, it says no data, 0 keywords, 0 organic traffic. So it'll take a little bit of time, and if you start adding backlinks to your website, then it will get indexed a lot faster. But yeah, you definitely want to add more words to it and specific keywords. So when I was trying to find Newcastle water restoration, I kept trying to find a company that I could emulate that has really good SEO and really good traffic. But unfortunately, Newcastle, it just doesn't have very much organic searches in general, so all of the top rankers, they don't have very much traffic either, just because Newcastle is such a small town. So these guys don't have anything either, so it's not good. So I was trying to find what would be a good website to copy from, and so I searched some other ones, Pittsburgh as well as Youngstown, because Youngstown looks like it's pretty close to you. Pittsburgh looks like it's an hour away from you, so I don't know if you'd actually want to go all the way down there. But the top ranker in Pittsburgh is Home Advisor, and when I put Home Advisor in here, they have an average 28 traffic every month from these keywords: water damage Pittsburgh, water damage restoration Pittsburgh. And so how it works is like this one, restoration Pittsburgh. That's really good. 200 searches a month. There's 200 times that people are searching that keyword every month on average. This middle column is called keyword difficulty. It's how much competition there is for that keyword, how many other companies are competing for it. This shows the company's position on Google. As you saw, Home Advisor was number 1 for this. And then it shows how many people are clicking on their site from that search. So 30 people are searching it every month, and then 12 of them are clicking on their site. Obviously, you're not Home Advisor, but you can use these same keywords, because you know that this gets searched 30 times a month. So if you put water damage Pittsburgh on your website a couple times, then maybe you can start ranking for it as well. But yeah, I don't know how valuable a water damage job is, so I don't know if it'd be worth it to you to travel all the way to Pittsburgh or not. This is another one that has a ton of organic traffic. Pure Clean. Oops. If you look at its full, oh no, Pure Clean, never mind, that's just a small company. I got it mixed up. But yeah, so we can look at the the traffic from Newcastle, Youngstown flood, that's a good one, 60 searches a month, 5 keyword difficulty, but it might not be buyer intent. Like maybe they're just looking about floods. These aren't that good of keywords. So it's kind of difficult. You definitely have to do a bit of research to find the right keywords to put in your content. You want keywords that have high search volume, lower keyword difficulty, buyer intent, and have your local area. But besides just optimizing your website, you also want to get your Google My Business listing set up correctly, which I thought I had pulled up, but I guess not. So let me pull it up again. So yeah, this is your Google My Business listing. So when someone searches for water restoration Newcastle, the first thing that will usually come up, there's not enough search volume for it, I guess. Well, water restoration Pittsburgh. When someone searches for that, usually the first thing that shows up is the Google Business listing, the map pack. So showing up in this will give you a lot of search traffic, because that's the first thing that shows up. So you want to be able to outrank all of the competitors here. Here, I guess there's not enough businesses that are trying to rank for this keyword, Water Solutions, Waterproofing, LLC, or Newcastle, Water Restoration. It has to have enough search volume for them to create one of these map packs. But either way, it's good to build this correctly and rank it, because it will bring in a lot of new traffic. So you want to add a lot of photos. You don't have any photos on your listing right now, just these few. Oh, you do have quite a few actually. Didn't look like it at first. So yeah, adding photos, writing a complete business description, filling out all 700 characters, getting all of the right categories, waterproofing, foundation, water damage restoration. That looks good. Adding your service areas. Those will all help with your ranking your Google Map Pack. Also, White Spark, let's see, Pittsburgh. So getting citations. Citations is really, really helpful. A citation is a directory. Anytime you make a business listing or you make a business profile like your Facebook account, that is considered a citation. So the more that you have, the more trusted of a business you seem, the more legit you seem, and the higher your business and your website will rank. So getting 200 citations will help at least start to rank your website and get your Google business listing to rank as well. But yeah, that's the basics of SEO. It's kind of harder to rank smaller towns since there's not a lot of search volume, but it's still definitely worth it to set up the website correctly and set up the business listing correctly so that you can be found for the people who are searching. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll get back to you.